Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday, April 14th. It is a B day. I'm going to give you the tour of class today. So let's start up here with science. So for science, you're going to go do the pretest today for our new unit, which is Unit 5. So the steps are go on to HMH Co through Clever, go to assignments, go to Unit 5, Systems in Space. It's a pretest. And then come back to this assignment and mark as done. For social studies, you're still continuing to work on the assignment that we gave yesterday. So if we take a look at what today's steps are, it's the same document as yesterday. So today, hopefully you can accomplish, today's Tuesday, steps 3 and 4. So for steps 3 and 4, you're going to, oops, I went too far. For step 3, you're going to use your new form of government and choose an economy for your city-state. So read about the economies below. We've got militaristic, educated, commercial, agricultural, religious, and you're going to choose one. Then step 4, you're going to choose a patron god or goddess. You may pick 2 if you want. Because remember, you're polytheistic, so you can choose 1/2 from below. And that's what you're going to do for today, for Tuesday. So if we take a look at the slides, just go over those. Yesterday, you were supposed to complete the first slide, which is just your name, the name of your polis and some pictures, the name of your government and the description. So for today, slide 4, type of economy and the description, and your main god. And again, you can have another god here, so you can duplicate if you like your god or goddesses. All right, that is for social studies. And moving on to, and just wanted to open this. There's still one person who didn't complete last week's social studies, so I'm going to give you till today, and then I have to put it in as a 0. For math for today is Tuesday. We're doing Zoom reviews at 10:30. If you got an email, I emailed everybody their Zoom for today and tomorrow, but please watch the date. Today's 4/14. If yours says 4/15, that's tomorrow. So if you're doing Zoom, you need to be on time and you need to have something in front of you to do your math on, as well as you need your workbook. We're going to be doing some of the review pages in the workbook together. However, if you don't have a Zoom scheduled for today, you're going to do the math doc. And then likewise tomorrow, if you don't have your Zoom, you're going to do this math doc. So everybody's going to do this math doc. It just depends on if you're doing it today or you're doing it tomorrow. So I prepared the doc for the workbook pages 517 to 520. And I kind of give you, starting with number 1, 2A and 2B, skip number 3, but you can try it in your own workbook. Number 4, A through D are yeses and nos. These are the elevator buttons. So I just need you to use your highlighter tool to highlight which ones you want to turn on. This is 6, 7, 8. 9 is yeses and nos. Skip number 10. 11, highlight the elevator buttons again, whichever ones you think should be on. Skip number 12 for this doc, but you can try it in your workbook. 13, skip 14 and 15. 16A, 16B, 16C. So there's a bunch, so there's 16 total, but there's a bunch to skip throughout, so it doesn't come out to be that much. All right, so that doc is due tomorrow after the Zoom reviews. So I'm not going to check it until Thursday because some people are doing a Zoom today and they're not doing this, and vice versa for tomorrow. All right, so eventually between today and tomorrow, whenever it's your turn, you'll do this doc. Okay, for language arts, we have our chapter 16 of Castle. Answer the chapter 16 questions. Do your sticky note doc right here, and the last assignment, which is for last week's words, still is the Tuesday spelling over here on spelling doc 3. Okay, so that is the tour of the day. Just want to go over the Zoom groups again. You should have gotten an email from me yesterday with a link. So you will need the invitation, you will need to be on time, you will need a slate or a whiteboard or a notebook, and you will need your math workbook and obviously a pencil. So today at 10:30 to 11:15, we have Miley, Justin, Trevin, Humera, and Kaylee. At 11:15 to 12, we have Josh, Sanjay, Tyler, Juliana, Daniel, and Sienna. And then tomorrow, we have Edward, Jaden, Paloma, and Ava at 10:30. At 11:15, we have Sydney, Eliza, and Lacey. So those are the Zoom times for our class for today and tomorrow. All right, I'll see you online.